Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. For Mother's Day, I got the coolest gift, a knitting machine. And I don't know if you've ever seen these. They're just a simple machine that can knit in a tubular motion or it can knit flat panels. But I am addicted to it. So today I'm going to show you how to make a stocking hat. And I had this idea of doing it in ice cream colors like Neapolitan ice cream. So it has a little counter on it. Every time it passes, a complete turn, it will count for me. And I'm going to do 20 rows of the pink or the strawberry flavored for the hat. And then I'm going to do 20 rows of the vanilla flavor. And then I'll do 40 turns or 40 rows of the chocolate flavor. And then I repeat the pattern backwards and do another 20 of the vanilla and 20 of the pink to finish it off. So it's a real long tube almost. Trying to figure out this machine is so cool once you figure it out. It was a little rough at the beginning. I do advise looking it up online through the company to see how to load it, because that was the trickiest part for me. And then moving forward, just trying to figure out the tension. All three of these yarns is the same company, same style, just different colors. And for some reason, my vanilla does not want to lay flat. And I think it has something to do with the tension, which I've been trying to figure out. But it is kind of a trial and error when putting this together. So you do have to pay attention to the tension on it and kind of the materials that you use. I don't think it would work for a real fluffy type of yarn. But once I've completed the 20, 20, 40, 20, 20 on the rows, so 120 turns I think it is, I'm going to release my hat, and you do have to gather it with a string and kind of pull it together and tie it off like I'm doing there. I also try to straighten everything out and cut back some strings that I might had laying out, but as you can see, there's quite a few strings still right there. I was trying to find my ending. I had a little trouble at the very end here, so it was a bit of a struggle, but we'll just make that the inside. So like I said, we did 40 rows of the brown, which I'm going to divide in half so that only 20 show on the outside. And that way we have a nice clean finish on the inside of the hat as well as the outside of the hat. And to hold them together, this particular machine actually came with these like real thick plastic needles, which I'm using to just sew the top and bottom together so that it doesn't come apart, obviously. And then I've got these red, like fluffy, they're actually hair ties, but when you tie them just right, it kind of looks like a cherry. So I'm going to go ahead and tie it on there and attach it by sewing it using the same string. And then when you're all done, you've got a Neapolitan winter hat. So thank you so much for watching.